Hey guys, it's your girl T So Natural and I am back with this video. Okay, so you remember that I was doing like a hair challenge with the Blue Magic to see if it'll give me hair growth. So I'm like halfway there. Well, I started on the 5th. Yeah, I'm almost like halfway there. And I just wanted to kind of like do like a little check-in with you guys to see how long my hair has actually gotten. So I am just going to play, oh yeah, and I do have the same purple sweatshirt that I had on in my other video, so we can kind of, you know, keep it easier to tell if it's grown or if it hasn't grown. So, okay, so let's get started with, did it grow or did it not grow? Okay, so I should have took my earrings off. Tripping. Okay, all right, so I guess we're ready now. All right, so let's look at this side. Okay, so that is my hair compared so far for almost the month that I'm doing my challenge. So you let me know if you think that it grown a little teeny tad bit or if it hasn't. So if it has, then I will give you my secret of what's making my hair grow, because I'm actually doing other stuff with it. I'm not adding other products, but doing other stuff with it to make it grow. So you let me know.